Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix message not sent problem on Messenger. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up Messenger app. Here you can see tap on three lines, tap on setting gear, scroll down, and here you can see help. Tap here. Now tap on the second option, which is unable to send messages on Messenger. Scroll down. Here you can see was this helpful. Just tap on no. Now here you can see others options. And now here you have to submit your request. Like if I type I am facing the problem of message not sent. Just submit your request, and here you can see thanks, your feedback helps improve this answer for everyone. Now you have to wait for 3 to 4 hours and then you will see that your problem will be solved. I just apply it on today on my one of my account and my problem will be solved. This is how you can easily fix message not sent problem. Hope you guys like my video.